Hello internet. In today's video, and yes I know it's been a long time since I posted, we're gonna try out some nail art brushes from Amazon. I just love Amazon. I mean, I literally just think about what I want and then it shows up at my door within an hour. I mean, hello, yes. So today we are going to find out if I can even do nail art. And before I even do that, my nails are a mess, honey. I know, like I was doing other videos. Excuse the mess. Let's just focus on the brushes for now. So the brushes that I got are from Winstonia, and they do have their own store, but I just got them from Amazon because I needed these quick. Like, ain't nobody got time to wait. So I'm starting off with this black set, trying to like preserve the packaging just in case I need to return them. You never know. But at first glance, these feel really nice. Like they just kind of like fit like a glove in my hand. They fit comfortably. They're not too long. They have some like weight to them, so they don't feel like I'm literally holding like a Q-tip. It just feels nice. The actual quality of the bristles, it feels well built. So first impression, yes, 5 stars. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. I'm going to now try out this pink set, and okay, they got this packaging right. I can pull these out nicely. Cool. These kind of I'm scared to try these out honestly because they feel, yeah, they definitely feel cheaper. They're not as sturdy. Sorry, I'm getting distracted by this like black spot on my nails. So just give me a second. I'm going to do a patch job. One swipe with some nail polish remover and one swipe with some white nail polish, and we're back. Business as usual. Okay. So yeah, like I don't know, man. I don't know. I can't even get this opened. Oh my goodness, what am I gonna do? Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Yes, we're going in for surgery because I'm not gonna ruin this wet white polish. So don't do this at home, please. Hopefully yours, if you try this, if you get these, they're not as hard to open. Like, what is the issue? I got it. Okay, cool. Yeah, so these don't feel as nice as the black set, if I have to be completely honest with you. So yeah, I'm not really looking forward to trying to do nail art because I'm already super rusty, and I feel like these are just gonna make my life a living hell. But yeah, okay, we'll see. So let me just open up this last brush, which I'm actually really excited for because I've tried a brush like this before. Wait, hold on. I'm just gonna add my fast drying top coat because you know I gotta make it seem like nothing happened here. Business as usual, back to work. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, I've tried a brush like this before and I did like it. I didn't love it, but this is like a smaller size, so in theory you should be able to paint more detailed work, even though I'm super rusty and haven't done nail art in like years. But we're gonna see. It doesn't feel very like firm. I don't know how to explain it. It just feels like it's just going to make a mess, but we'll see. I'm not gonna knock it till I try it. So let's go ahead and try out to see if I can do nail art or just straight lines on my nails actually. So I'm starting off with the black. I think this is the medium. It might be the long one. I don't even remember anymore. Sorry, but yeah, that looks like the long one. Oh my god, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Like, are those like straight lines? Okay, that was not a straight line, but you tried, honey. You did. Okay, ignore that one. But the first two that I did, so here I am trying to fix my patch job, my wonky line with the medium one. And honestly, I love these brushes. Like, I'm not even like, I don't feel like I'm at my best because like I said, I haven't done nail art in so long, but like this is life right now. Sign me up. Okay, time for the real test. Horizontal lines. Okay. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, cancel the show, everyone. Go home. You know what? It's me. It's not the brushes. The brushes are great. I suck. But yeah, I do like the brushes. So honestly, like I just need more practice. That's just it. Let me just try another brush. So yeah, let's pick up the really pretty pink one and see what we can do. Honestly, I don't even know. I'm just gonna add some dots. That's pretty easy. and also completely pointless because you can just use a toothpick or a dotting tool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go for the outline. This is gonna be the actual ultimate test. Oh, okay, we have a little curved line. You know, the brush is actually not bad. I was scared that it was going to be like too flimsy, but this is not terrible. Like, I'm gonna switch out and just put the nail right up on my face so that I can get really precise, and I'll show you what it looks like. But what do you think? Like, I'm not even doing that bad, girl. Leave a comment down below. How am I doing? So yeah, like, this is what it looked like at the end after I sort of fixed it, and I'm impressed with myself. So yes, can't nobody tell me nothing, honey. Okay, so I saved the worst for last because I was just not really like, my hopes were really low. And you know what, these pink brushes, they're not as good as the black set, but they're not bad. Like, you can still make it work. It's just not as pleasant. Like, here I am, like, freaking out that I'm gonna mess this up, and oh my goodness, I did it. I did it. It's okay. The pink set, I honestly, like, I feel like you could skip. Like, you don't really need these. They're not a must-have. They might be in your starter kit, but yeah, they're just not as nice as the black set. So I would pass. I would do a hard pass. And the black, oh my god, like, look at how that glides on the paper. I mean, it's just a world of a difference, honestly. The black set, I love them. Yes, total 5-star for sure. So one last thing before I go, a little nail care tip. Wait, nail care? Nail brush? Anyways, you do want to make sure that you get all of the gunk out. So I use acrylic paint, so I'm using water to just clean the brushes and make sure that there's no paint on them. If you use nail polish with your nail art brushes, you do want to make sure that you use pure acetone to clean them well, and then always rehydrate them with oil. Here I'm just using a cuticle oil, but you could just use any oil, like olive oil especially is probably really good. And then you just massage that in, and you help the bristles maintain their form, and they should last you a little bit longer than they normally would if you don't do that. So yeah, it feels really great to be back, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.